because a lot of our land was grabbed, it has reduced from 54.6 acres to only 4.6 acres. Recently, we were able to acquire an additional 2, so we have increased to 6.2. The consequence of us not having sufficient land, number one, we don't have much space to build wards for the inmates. When we raise these issues with the Ministry of Lands, the National Land Commission will address it and see whether we can recover that land that has been lost. Where the vagaries of life or the practicalities of life do not allow us to be able to get back that land, then we shall explore possibilities of getting alternative land. That is something that has to have a multi-sectoral approach in the one government approach that we have adopted as the Kenya Kwanza government.